Hello everyone. We are going to be talking about making your communication plan clear in your course, and this falls under interaction, which is B3 of the CBC OEI rubric, and we want to begin on the home page. So on the home page you can have just primary information about the way students can contact you and your response time to them. So you can see the example here. I have my name and I have my email. I let students know they can also reach me through the Canvas inbox, and I give them a response time that I'll usually respond to them within 24 hours. Now, in your syllabus and in your Getting Started module or your orientation module, you'll want to have more detailed communication information for students. So on my syllabus page, I have an attachment for my syllabus that is printable, but I've also made syllabus links that go to a syllabus module in my course, and this has the same information that my printable syllabus does. So in this case, let's go to contacting your instructor in the syllabus, and this is that specific page. And you'll notice that I have two sections here, and this is effective practice to not only let students know how they can contact you, but how you will be contacting them throughout the semester, so they're clear on those details. So I have a how I will contact you section, and I list all the ways that I will be contacting them, the tools I will use, the practices that I have for contacting students. So you'll notice that I send out announcements weekly. That's one way I reach out to students. That I also may email them or use the Canvas inbox if I have specific concerns I want to contact them about. Also, I leave feedback in the grades section, and I outline what type of feedback that might be. In this case, I often use written feedback, video feedback, or rubric feedback, so they can know to look for those things when they have an assignment graded. And on the discussion boards, I also leave feedback. I allow them to edit their posts by Saturday based on comments I've made on Friday about errors I see in formatting and things like that, so they have a chance for a better grade. So they also know to look for those comments. And then the second part is how the students can contact me. So there I have my office hours listed, my Zoom room link, my phone number, my email, and again with the response time, and I note where my physical mailbox is located on campus. And I put this same information in the Getting Started module, just so students will also be able to see it there if they're looking. So it is right here on top in the Getting Started module. I have a Meet Your Instructor page navigating the course, and then my communication plan is also available there so they can have the same information. This way students can be very clear about the ways in which you're going to be contacting with them, interacting with them, the kind of feedback you'll be giving them, and then all the possible ways they might be able to contact you. So they'll be really clear about how they can communicate with you during the semester, and this will make them feel at ease that they'll be able to reach you easily through these methods, and that you are there and involved in helping them when they have questions. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions about setting this up.